Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate. And this video is an interesting video, an exclusive video of a Tesla Semi, the refreshed Atlas version as it's internally known, pulling into the one semi-drive new gate at the Tesla Semi factory. Here's a little someone trying to steal the show. Cybertruck going by. Anyway, this is as you can see by the light bar, this is a Atlas refreshed Semi, just built within the last few weeks probably. And it is the short standard range. Don't call me short range. The standard range, which has about 350 miles of range versus the 500 miles of range. And it is pulling in, my guess is that this is my strong guess or estimation is that this is from the engineering unit. These are the endurance. This is the group that is endurance testing and has been endurance testing the previous Arcus version for many hundreds of thousands of miles, and they're now testing the Atlas version. Check this guy out, how he was able to pull into these chargers that are kind of not designed for being used with a trailer. They're basically end-of-line chargers right outside the north end of the Tesla Semi factory, Giga Semi. And what's very interesting about this is I recognize the driver as the driver formerly known as Yeti Man. If you've been following along on my videos since the beginning, the original video that blew up of a driver going up going up the Donner Pass was this gentleman, this driver. And one of the viewers has named him Yeti Man. He's a big burly guy with a big beard. And I had said back then that he looks like he's straight out of Central Casting for a semi-truck driver. Anyways, right as he got out of the vehicle, my drone ran out of energy and automatically returned to home. So sadly, I didn't get him plugging into the Megacharger, but he is plugged in. This Megacharger can deliver up to 1,200 megawatts of charge. And there are 3 Tesla cabinets there. I think we all agree now that it is one Tesla cabinet per 2 megachargers or semi-chargers. And they can produce that 1,200 megawatts for a single semi. And if there's 2 occupied, obviously it's reduced, much like a supercharger. In any event, hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to step aside and let you watch the rest of the video. I might jump in later with a few final comments at the end. And also pay attention to the difference in length between the standard range and the long range. You can first tell by that little black patch. What is that shape called? Not a triangle. Forget my geometry. But anyway, another question is, what are those for? Let me know what you think. So this was part of this was at the end of my normal circumnavigation Tesla Semi-Factory Giga Semi video. So stay tuned for that video. Appreciate all your support on both the semi-focused videos and the Semi-Factory videos. And I'll be flying again soon. Thank you very much, as Elvis would say.